Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Daki spangut kinong tray bat kinong kershan jong kaseng Kongres haga khat ar terik unok pra ar za khakhandai kila mi paj ba ban Pyrshah jur ya ka jing menjur jong ka yeng dor bar thau an ka Lok Sabha bat ka Raja Sabha ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill ka baplelat ya ka jing long nong shong shnong bapura hakari India ya ki jat ben riu rit pat Hindu Sikh Kristan Buddhist Jain bat ki Parsi ki bawan nakari Afghanistan Pakistan bat nakari Bangladesh. Hagani ka jingyat pat ba ban Pyrshah ya kani ka bill ka ban salong ai no shen ya ka bala khot pelong da ka Mahila Congress Pradesh Committee la sanran lang da ki MLA ka Congress ki bakanthum ya ka MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency ka Dr. M Amprin Lingdo u MLA jong ka Umroi constituency u ba George B Lingdo But MLA jong ka West Shillong constituency uba Mahendra Rapsang nalor kini la sanran langru daki MDC ka Seng Congress ki ba kenthop ya MDC ka Malki uba Fanten Lakadong MDC ka Mauhati uba Charles Marngar baru MDC ka Ramrai Jerngam uba Bajob Pynrem bala kenthop ru ya kinong yalam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hasilan ter ka jingyat pat ba kini kir khot ka Seng Congress kila pertaru ya kisur ban Pynrem jur yang menteri rang ba duk kari u Narendra Modi ya menteri ketenat kampo yeng kari u Amit Shah ya ka MP jong ka NPP Natura Lok Sabha constituency ka Agatha ke sangma bad u menteri rang ba ka jala u Konrad ke sangma
Amit Shah! Amit Shah! Amit Shah! Modi! 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 Agatha! Agatha!
Pyrshah! CMP! Pyrshah! CMP! Pyrshah! CMP!
We reject
CMP!
Amit Shah! Agatha! Agatha! Penrat kena! Penrat kena! Agatha! What you wrote? NPP! Bangladeshi! Bangladeshi, Bangladeshi, Siri Tek, Agatha,
Muai ni kinong mikmat jong gadong gatany bakari gajaj periu gajongi ngiyang hang ne da kamen sim jong gajing snokya da kamen sim gajingi ya kani kari kabi gajongi kaba kani ka umsau kelawan ban telap kinsan ya kari ba gajaj periu gajongi ipaj ba nong song snong ba ye kat ki baidan kani kapor ngiyang hang ne om da gajing snow party henrai kawai ngiyang kum kajaj berdeu dainam kum kajaj berdeu ngiyang da kawai kasur ban kren hakni kapor ban ngiawer hakni kapor ngidon hang ne ki seng malang ki beper ngidon ki wairu ki party hang ne ngisko komen man yitu ipi ngidon ki NPP ro hang ne dainam ban ikersan lang yangi naga banta ban Pyrshah yakni ka CAB ki para nong song song bayet baro kat ki bidon hakni kapor kala dai kapor yangi bangin pene ngin nam aili bat ngin nam penjam nang ne sakmat ngin nang yang banile Pyrshah kam kut tangkat ne ki pajba ngayawer ngakot yapi kai ke baja pet kiwe ki jala hasam ngisosi bahang ne hakari khasi ke bai ke jongi ngio i ya ke jing bamilong teli ke jongi kisang balang ki jongi ki kwa bakawai kasang balang kan penbet la ke jong ke program bat kawai pal la ke jong ngakon ngakentu yangi tong ini lang kawai ngin dam ye pet party ngin dam ye pet ya ki party bat ki seng balang kawai ka sur ngin kran na ka menta kari ba ka jaj mereu ka jungi ta ka ni ka por na ka liang ka jungi ni da wa ya ka ILP bat kambyang tang ka ILP ban ban tre kamro da ki wai pat ki kendanan ban ban klan shu na ka menta ban ya da ya kari ba ka jaj mereu ka jungi
ya dia bono ibara ya bono political dumja chaya jat di kam ya acung noris di kam ari ya chuna jegala mana chuna ya nakaba soitang nakaba chuna citizen si biko chuna namja aru chuna ko jejaka chuna ko jegala chuna kasil jolli achkransa namja noris di chuna student connect noris dan student union oi organization chuna skawli ba kam kaiga aru chuna ko kan kugen aru chuna nengtak jawa chuni pes kara asamo tripura agum tang kigas tete dura achuna ko kan kugen achuna nengtak jawa chuna BJP ni kam ko chuna jegala ami chali kam ko chuna nirika chuna michia 라takna manja mana chuni kusako chuni nangni kisariko chuni jani berpira chuna takkergen shibula chuna nangja
Kaji teli jungi kan dapat ya ka politics kan dapat ya seng ki maper kaji teli jungi kom ki pai nyong song snong jong ka jela Meghalaya jong ka north east ka bakam tame hang ni ka por ngidon kam ni kaji teli lanang gimla ban pen snow ni ka sur sate support Delhi kabala melek manla kabala lek kanlut bat menta ka serang kelalut ya kita hiju bangala kibala klei na ka menta ka jung ha kita kaji keren kyom bangin ya daingi Andre, hai kita kijingan. Kita pelur kita kapor, kita pelur ke pisah je kisang balang, jong ki pai ba ki jongi balai sete Delhi ban persngap kita kisur ki jongki. Andre, ha ka bekut dalami kita kaan ke sulong tang ban tapen miau ye ke kijing tumu ke bagi dan lupa selenda. Kasibi ke bagi wanra. Kala pen job yang tak kijing tumu ke jongki ban ai, yang tak kijing itu bapura, yang kinong Bangladesh ki bawan ruk tu sini. Wan ruk tu sini sengi. Ban ai tak jing itu purai ki lemag ni ka ai. Kum ki pai ban. Ngila su tu ba ka ni ka jingle kelut ka jingle mala. Jong kini kinong ilam jongi hapo Delhi kan sepenjot ini keri ke jong. Mangin sejot kum no ngila ban Pyrshah. Ba kita ki bre ki bawan kita ki basha leben. Hala kinyam ki ba kidon. Kum no kin Pyrshah. Ngem don leti. Ngem don leti ngin si Shah thok sa syukur. Barhak jo kapor kini ki ai ki bakipau ko makilong menta la ka sik schedule ne tangka el piru kanum biang sho ngidang don kam sho ban pen klan Nalojin kini ngidon kam sesu iki ain ki banang kampen kran sesu banyada ya kiri bak jai penreu hakle. Kom kanot is nyeng. Ni habis telilang, yamla ban ailat bakne ka sarkar kemudian hadli kan penpat ini. Yang Manipur dak away, yang Nagaland dak away, yang Meghalaya dak away. Ngimde ban ailat kom ni. Lanang ailat dak ni kurkom. Ini baro ke bajia hapo sam kumbak lapur mta state haman ki benta jong kejela ke jongi bad hapo Tripura ru ki lapur state kumne ke jeki kajing tur jong pai baru jong ni bersorok turu kan selong hakani krukom yang rang ba wat ai ba kemen sim jong pi kertlot bar kham tam e bas nang mi kasur mata kedam kata kejing bam syania hakinong ilam kum kinong ilam habang yang ban kran ni kasur ngiyang man kan ka sojong pi kum kipai ba ngimla ban set kalai fi kadon gum kata jing keno sipang yo we ki keno momen syau le kota sipang we bi keno menta kam dei ka por ju ka ji keno kadai ka por ju ka ji teli ya teli kapan jai kita yen ya teli nomor ngimpat i kat kini kom sa ko wan telep na ka menta ka jung malanang ngimla ban teli mata nginom la syu dalile banyada yakni kejala kabi jungi markham tame na notice
have occurred in the state to the point that even the ultras have come out as savior of our community to ensure that the illegal immigrants do not get sanctioned to become full-fledged citizens of this country called India. It is a painful moment to know that 4 of our friends in Guwahati who are fighting against a common cause have been shot by the police just a few hours ago. Will the government of India apply force for the fight of a survival of small communities located in the distant parts of the northeast India? What has happened to Tripura? Are we aware today that the original tribals of Tripura have become outnumbered and are now a minority in their own state? What has happened to the plain belts of Garo Hills? Does Delhi know that this threat is continuing, and today it is our own government that is giving license to these Bangladeshis to take over our land, our jobs, to take over our identity? They say that the 6 scheduled areas will be exempted from the operation of the CAB. Do my friends know that in one state the CAB will be operational, but in other parts called the European ward, it will become operational? Do you want to see that our police bazaar, our Kating Road, our Polo Hills, our Lashumia will become harboring areas for the Bangladeshis? Should we allow our own government to ensure that our identity and our ethnicity is compromised? Is this a country which is looking at our welfare? Today, we join hands with all of the Northeast, because it is the Northeast that shares a common international porous border with Bangladesh. Does the government in India know that it is closer for Bangladeshis to take harbor in states like Meghalaya, where we have a 448-kilometer border with this country? Our cattle are being smuggled every day to a point that there was a time in Shillong city where we did not even get the opportunity to have beef, which is our ethnic food. Does Delhi know that we are constantly under threat by the onslaught of these refugees who continue to come to our localities? In 1972, one refugee relief colony was graciously given by the people of Meghalaya to the Bangladeshis. Today, are they going to take more of our land? Are they going to take our jobs? Are they going to kill our identity? One protest is insufficient to voice to the government of India that we demand justice and we demand that the tribals of the northeastern region should be protected by our own government and not succumbed to this torture and agony that we face in our everyday lives. We have to be united. The Congress party has decided to join hands with any group that organizes a protest in the state of Meghalaya.
Yes!
And no one can stop us. I appeal to the people of Meghalaya, particularly the Khasis, the Garos and the Jaintias, to leave behind your political differences. It is wrong to say that the Congress was adverse to the calling of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. There were valid reasons why we did it. But the regional parties have been partners in all coalition governments since the inception of the state of Meghalaya. If they felt at any point of time that the implementation of the ILP was a life and death situation, why did they not withdraw themselves from governments of the past? Today they are making the same mistake. Again, come elections in 2023, what do we expect the UDP to say? That it was the NPP that brought the cap? Why are they not standing up to the call of the people of the state? If you oppose an anti-people law, rise above your political compulsions. Come out and join hands with the people of the state. It is wrong to say that the CAB has been politicized. Today we know that Tripura has been clamped down. Are they going to do in Tripura what they did in Kashmir? Are we going to stand and watch? Time is ticking. And it is just a matter of time when you find Bangladeshis in your own backyard. My constituency is the most vulnerable. You say that CAB will continue to operate in the normal areas. As a legislator of this constituency, my question to the MDA government is, will you ensure that the Bangladeshis do not take over my people's food, my people's bread and butter, my people's salt? Are you going to ensure that communal tensions will not increase in the years to come? The people of Meghalaya do not want to agitate. But if we are put up across a wall, we have no option but to hit the streets. And as we hit the streets, we do so with a conviction that it is either now or never. It is either now or never. I demand that immediately the government in the center repeals the CAB and stop dividing this country on the basis of communal lines. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Jains, Sindhis live like brothers and sisters under the umbrella of the Indian Constitution. Do not divide us and do not expect us to be mute spectators when you attempt to mute us. I appeal to my friends in the Congress party that we will continue to join all groups the whole of today and tomorrow in all of the protests that are going to be conducted in Shillong City. And I pray that with our unity, we will achieve and put to rest the contentious agenda of illegal migrants coming to our state. Do not legalize these enemies of the country. Do not legalize the entry of these individuals who have just one intention: to take over our identity. We will always be Khasis. We will always be Garos. We will always be Jaintias. You cannot take our freedom away from us. And it is ironic that the same constitution that promised our ancestors to protect us from this tyranny have come back to haunt us. Where will the people of Meghalaya go? Are you forcing us to go into Bangladesh? Are you forcing us to go to China? You promised us when you declared independence over us that you will protect us. And you must stand by that promise, because the people of our state cannot take this torture any longer.